Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to unsnooze a Facebook page. If you're someone who uses Facebook regularly, you may have snoozed a page for various reasons, but now you want to start seeing their posts again. Fortunately, Facebook offers an option to unsnooze a page and start seeing their posts again. In this video, we'll be showing you how to unsnooze a Facebook page. Step 1 is to download the Facebook app if you haven't already. You can find it in the Play Store by searching for Facebook. Once you've found the app, tap on the white F with a white background and then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in. Step 2 is to access the app settings. To do this, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can access the app's settings. Step 3 is to navigate to the Preferences section. Scroll down until you see this section and then tap on it. Step 4 is to select Newsfeed. This will bring up a list of all the pages you've followed. Step 5 is to use the snooze option by the clock icon. The pages you have snoozed will appear first in the list. Step 6 is to tap on End Snooze next to the page's name. This will unsnooze the page and allow you to start seeing their posts again. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily unsnooze a Facebook page. If you want to snooze it again, simply follow the same steps and tap on Snooze next to the same page you snoozed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.